The tense we use to talk about longer actions that were happening in the past. This is perfect for telling stories and describing what was going on at a specific moment. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when and how to use it. Let's jump in. The first use is for a specific time in the past. We use past continuous for actions that were happening at a specific time in the past. Look at this sentence. I was watching TV at 7 p.m. This means I started before 7, I still watched at 7, and I probably continued after that. Another example is I was living in California in 2021. It shows an ongoing event around an exact time in the past, in this case, 2021. It started before that, and it was still true in 2021. The second use is for parallel actions. This is when two actions were happening at the same time in the past. Check this out. Action 1 is cooking dinner. Action 2 is setting the table. Both are happening at the same time. So we can say, I was cooking dinner while she was setting the table. Two longer continuous actions, same moment. Perfect. We can also use the past continuous to talk about interruptions. This is really common. The past continuous describes a longer action that was interrupted by a shorter action in the past. Look at this timeline. I was walking to the store. That's the longer action happening. Then suddenly I saw my friend. That's a shorter action. And it interrupts the longer action. So I was walking to the store when I saw my friend. The walking continues before and after, but the seeing is only for a short moment. All right, let's have a quick check. Look at this sentence. I was reading a book when the phone rang. Was the reading finished when the phone rang? No, the reading was ongoing at the time the phone rang. Was the ringing at the same time as the reading? Yeah, the phone rang while the person was doing the reading. And did the ringing interrupt the reading? Yeah, I think so. The phone ring probably made the person temporarily stop reading. Let's build the structure. For positive sentences, we use the subject plus was or were plus verbing, like he was working. So for the negative sentences, we just add not. They weren't studying. And for the question, as usual, we flip it around. Were you driving? Notice that was, were, and the ing form are always together. That's your pattern. Time to practice. Pause the video and complete these exercises. Use the past continuous form and think about longer actions and interruptions. Let's check your answers. See how the continuous action gets interrupted? Now, let's answer these questions out loud, or you can leave them in the comments. Share your stories. I want to hear them. All right, a quick recap. The past continuous is for three things: specific times in the past, parallel actions, and interruptions. The formula is pretty easy. It's was or were plus verbing. Simple, right? That's it for this lesson. If this helps you understand the past continuous, hit that like button and subscribe for more English lessons. And keep learning. See you in the next video.